What's up, YouTube? My name's Chance. The channel is Chance Bishop's Breaks, and today we have ourselves another Life TCG opening here. We have a first edition gold booster box for the Birds set here. All right, we did open up our starter deck, starter box last week for our bird set, so we are doing one of their boosters. So we do have 4 boosters that we did purchase from them, and we will be getting into our first one right now. Come on, we're gonna get there. We're gonna eventually get in here. There we go. Got it. I think I need to change the blade on my box cutter. Last time we opened up the gold booster boxes, it was for the mammal set. There should be a pack somewhere in here that is just the holo rares. That's if they keep the same format, at least. All right. Focus. There we go. Dunlin, Hummingbird, Peregrine Falcon. There we go. We have a lilac-breasted roller full art. First pack, first hit. Here we go. Good old lilac-breasted roller. Population, a very common bird right there, population about 100,000 on that one. Kingfisher, the macaw, and let me have a snowy owl full art, population about 30,000 there. Back-to-back full art in back-to-back packs. Like to see that. The common gull, scarlet macaw, blue and yellow macaw, the blue crane. There we go. We have the great-eared nightjar, hollow, population about 10,000 for our nightjar. So remember, the lower the population, the rarer the card. The Indian peafowl, that's a nice one. You have the golden eagle full art. Population about 120,000 on this bad boy. So 3 full arts right there, not a bad start. All right, we have the toucan, frogmouth. There's our hollow. South Philippine dwarf kingfisher, population of 6,000. So a little more rare than our nightjar. All right. Got a partridge, no pear trees yet. We have the wandering albatross. 25,000 on the albatross there. Common bird. I'm pretty sure I've seen those before. I think so. I could entirely be lying. I don't know. I just know on the first day of Christmas you get birds, and the second day of Christmas you get birds. You just get birds for all of Christmas. There we go. Scarlet macaw full art. This flap, I believe, is not going to want to stay in. So we're going to flip that over just so I'm not fighting that for the remainder of the opening. All right. Cool. We have the plated bill mountain toucan on the hollow. 15,000 is population there. Heartbeat Eagle, Wandering Albatross, the Shoebill. 4,000 on the population. I think that's the rarest one we've pulled so far. Let's go 1, 2, 3 to the front. Look at that. It's like some Pokemon stuff right there. And we have the Indian Peafowl full art. 100,000 estimated population on the Indian Peafowl. I really like that full art. It's a nice one. All right. We have the Rufous-headed hornbill on this bad boy. Try to get the focus a little better. There we go. Focus seems like keeps swaying the change between out and in. 2,500 on the population. Definitely the rarest bird we've seen. The Canada Jay, the Merlin, the Cockatoo, Golden Eagle, and the Bluebird of Paradise. Good old Bluebird of Paradise. I showed you my reflective neck strip. Can you please text me back? If you know, you know. All right, Blue Jay, Pelican. I'm combining Pelican and Falcon. There we go. We have the Ascension Frigate Bird. Good old frigate bird right there. 20,000 is that population. All right. The Merlin, McCall, we got the Harrier, got the Snowy Owl right there on the hollow. 30,000 population. All right. Crossbill, the Robin, the Razorbill, McCall, Stork, Penguin, Pelican, Bustard, and an Indian Peafowl. Second Peafowl of the opening. Hey, I get it. It's fine. It happens. I've definitely opened up Pokemon where we've gotten the same double rare in the same booster box. So, like, I get it. All right, and we have the Oriental Bay Owl. Population about 10K on the Bay Owl. Goldfinch, the Mallard, the Puffin, Razorbill, Nightjar, and we have the White Cockatoo. 100,000 population, very common bird, not common bird in the pet trade, but is a pet trade bird. I think people sleep on how long these birds live. Yeah, a lot of those bigger birds that people keep as pets live a long time. Northern spotted owl population of 15,000 there. There we go. Did not want to get into the sleeve at first. All right. Hummingbird, condor, sunbird, frigate bird, bald eagle, and the dwarf kingfisher again. Good old 6K on that pop count. All right, barn owl, roadrunner, cockatoo, thornbill, peafowl, and the forest owlet. Population of 1,000. That's a rare one. Now these are the ones you're looking for, the hollows. The first edition holo rares, the lower the pop, rarer the card. So only 1,000 of those forced outlets were made. So definitely one of the rarer pulls in the entire set. We have the great-eared Nightjar on the full art. I'll take it. Not sure if we've gotten that one yet, at least in this opening. Canada J, Kingfisher, Falcon Roller, and the Harpy Eagle. Good old Harpy Eagle. Estimated population about 50,000 in the wild. Not sure if that's actually in the wild or just combined population. All right, the Lark. And we have the New Zealand Rock Wren. About 5,000 Rock Wrens. Partridge, the Emu, and the Toucan. About 10,000 toucans in the wild. So nice little stacks going on each, both the holo rares and the full arts. Birds being the second go through here for this Life product. First being mammals. So if you guys remember, as we get the Saker Falcon, they had the mini boxes that came out later that had the full arts in them. And then in their original first edition boxes, they only had the holo rares. Looks like they've. Do I have a whole pack of? There you go, whole pack of holo rares. That'll do it. So Northern Spotted Owl, 15,000 population. The Shoebill, 4,000. Honduran Emerald, 15. The Plate-billed Toucan, 15,000. The Rock Wren, 5,000. The Marshall Eagle, about 30,000. The Juan Fernandez Fire Crown, 4,000 population. White-crested Turaco, 10,000. The Dalmatian Pelican, 12,000. And the Blue Lorikeet, 5,000 on those population counts. Right, that was a normal pack, wasn't it? I'm pretty sure, as we go to sleeve all these bad boys up right quick, that the packs were marked differently. I wasn't paying attention to the packs. That might have been on me for not noticing the pack was different. I don't see it. I just tossed it on the ground. Maybe because it's a different art, maybe? I don't know. There's only one that looks different. One pack that looks different. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe that was it. I have to look back. Was it this pack? Was this pack the one that just had all the holo rares? I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. I was opening and talking. All right, so nice full stack of 10 holo rares on that one. I think it had to be that pack right there. It had to be the pack it was. All right. The Bluebird, Cardinal, Partridge, Pelican, the Swan, Osprey, Owlet, and the Harpy Eagle again. Nice to see the Harpy Eagle. Canada Goose. The New Zealand Kaka. Cardinal, Starling, Buzzard, Penguin, the Flamingo, and we have the Resplendent Quetzal. 50,000 on that population. Canada Jay, Pelican, Spotted Owl, and the blue and yellow macaw. Population 100,000 there. I think the blue and yellow macaw is probably like the classic macaw. Like when you think of a macaw, it's either the blue and yellow one or it's like the red one. I think those are the classic macaws right there. Merlin, Nightjar, and the Oriental Bay Owl again. The common raven. And the tawny frogmouth. Take a frogmouth right there. All right, we got 4 packs left here. So yeah, it had to have been that pack, that tan pack. The Warbler, Condor, and the Indian Peafowl. What about sleeves? I need to grab more sleeves because I am unprepared and I am the worst pack opener here on YouTube. Mostly because I thought I had more sleeves than what I actually had. And we have the Martial Eagle. There, didn't open my pack of sleeves, just grabbed the pack of sleeves. Technical difficulties, because, you know, 3 out of 10 over here. Entertaining, maybe. Prepared, absolutely not. Crossbill, Puffin, Horned Owl, the Goose, the Kite, Frigate Bird, Shoebill, Lorikeet, Sunbird, and the right-crested Turaco. And final pack here. Then we'll do a quick recap. Kestrel, Robin, Hummingbird, Greater Flamingo, Emu, and the lilac-breasted Roller on the full art. All right, so let's get a quick recap going on. And out of every pack here, we have good amount of full arts here. We do see a couple duplicates, which is fine. I do like the full arts here. They're very nice hand-drawn arts on all of these bad boys. And then here we go. Every pack either has a holo or a full art. And then you have, of course, the pack that had the 10 holo rares in it. So, Forest Owl definitely being the rarest pull you got. Population only 1,000. But if you guys did enjoy today's opening, hit that like button, comment down below. Text on YouTube though. Peace out, rock on, stay super classy, and we'll catch you on the next opening here on the channel.